Hey everybody, welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. Well, hey guys, it's Tom here, and I got a new machine for the shop. I think I need to go to that 5-step program and admit that I've got a fetish for the old American iron. So this was on my wish list, and I finally found one, and I couldn't pass it up. So time to make a video for you guys to enjoy the fruits of my labor. I filmed a short video of picking it up and unloading it and getting it set. So I'll go ahead and splice this in right after I do this intro. But so what you're looking at is a 16-inch G&E industrial shaper. Perfect size. I didn't want something that was too big, take a large section of real estate up for the shop, but also I wanted something big enough that it'd have enough ass to actually do some decent work. So that's why I settled on a 16-inch shaper. And the 16 inches designate that the ram will travel 16 inches in stroke. The table should go down far enough so you've got 16 inches between the tool post and your work, and also the table should travel back and forth 16 inches. So basically you could cut a 16 by 16 by 16 cube. And this is the industrial model. It's about 1,000 pounds heavier than the tool room model. And the industrial model also comes with the front table support, if you can see that. If not, I'm going to do the walk around here in a little bit and I'll point that out. Also, this is the universal table, which means it will rotate, and also the top tilts. So it has all the functions that I was looking for. The only thing would have been a bonus if it would have had the automatic down feed for the tool post, but this does not. It is a 5 horsepower motor, so I didn't want anything bigger because my rotary phase converter is a 10 horse. So that way it's perfect. It runs the Monarch, which is a 5 horse, and then of course this is a 5, so we're good. I didn't want to have to upgrade. And it came with a whole bunch of tooling and everything, so I am pretty pleased. So let me cut to the video of me bringing this thing home. Hey guys, it's Tom here, and we have got a new machine for the shop. Just got her loaded up. As you can see, I've joined the Big Boy Shaper Club. So got my buddy Mike over here giving me a hand. Got her loaded up. Now the fun part is to get it home. Well guys, we got her home all safe and sound. Just got the crate off of her. Just kind of taking a look-see. Hopefully the light's pretty good here. But she is a 16-inch G&E Industrial Universal with the rotating table and also the tilting top that I was looking for. Comes with the front support. Of course, we'll do a more thorough once we get her off there, but I figured I'd give you a quick shot. So there she is. So now we gotta muscle her off the trailer. Well, we just got her off the trailer. The skates work perfectly. We had to run a chain all the way back. I've got a 4x6 post in the ground, just set up exactly for this, for pulling and winching. So the skates work good. Rolled her off the trailer slow and easy. Lost the skate at the last minute, but she's sitting on the ground, so yay. Well, give you guys an update here. We are slowly getting the pallet out from under the shaper. As you can see, we're working our way and punking. Slow but surely. Being real careful. Well, there you go guys. After a long battle, we finally got her sitting down on the concrete, and this is the position she's going to live. And I don't know why my dog wants to bark as soon as I do video. But no mishaps, no bozos, no Mr. Murphy showing up, so we are pleased. And just a short walk around. I'll do a complete video on this here coming up once I get it cleaned up and wired and learn the controls and whatnot. There's a little monster making all the noise. I've been on the internet and been gathering and searching all the info and the manuals and whatnot I could find on G&E Shapers. So I picked up this original pamphlet that G&E put out. Figured we'd go through it real quick. It's kind of cool. It's from the 50s, but it kind of explains some stuff. And you guys can see that, how they started back in the day, 1851, and how they progressed to basically that was their latest version that they produced till they went out of business. And as you can see, that one does not have a clamp on top of the ram. Mine does not. Mine is from the 40s actually. Looking at the serial number, I think it was made late 40s, probably about December 1941. And this will kind of give you an idea what the difference is of the tool room shapers. They got a plain tool room, a regular tool room, and then they got the bigger ones, the industrial type, which are a little heavier. The horsepower is usually a little bit more. And of course they come with big old vices. That's mine there. 14¼ inch jaws. That's a big one. And that's what Adam Boost looks like. He's got the 32-incher industrial, except he has the universal table on his. And his is a 16-speed transmission, so his is later. Mine is actually an 8-speed transmission, and I found the manual for that, so that was good. Let's see what else. So here's the universal table they talk about. So it rotates and tilts, so you can do a lot of intricate stuff on it. Instead of just having a flat surface, you've got to try to work with using the angle blocks and angle plates and whatnot, trying to clamp your work and get it at an angle. You can just move the table around. And here's all the extra accessories. They did make an automatic tool lifter for it, and kind of cool. I've never seen one with a jib crane. But you can see they came with brackets there, and there's got a front feed, so you can sit there and work and raise and lower the table and do different shapes. And a couple other accessories, indexing centers, and a supplemental tabletop to enlarge your work surface area. And then the back, it just talks about specs. So pretty cool. So let's go do a walk around. What do you guys say? Okay guys, gonna go handheld, so it may be a bit shaky, but I'll do the best I can. And here is the front table support that I mentioned. And of course the vise has a base that'll rotate all the way around. And kind of cool, this is the tag that one of the companies that I guess this machine was sitting in. That was probably their inventory tag. And of course their warning label here. In other words, don't be an idiot if you're going to operate this thing, because it'll probably hurt you or kill you, which is probably a good thing to know. Did come with the original vice wrench, but I mean, how do you do that, really, guys? I mean, holy cow! I don't think that is factory bent. It wouldn't make sense to bend it like that. And then also, I don't know. Let me see if I can get down real close. You can see the taper, so you can see the wear. So this thing is actually seeing a lot of use sliding on and sliding off. It's pretty sloppy. So I dug around in my spare stuff, and I got a 3/4, 5/16. So I'll probably use this most of the time, since there's so much slop inside that hex. Let's see, it does have power traverse for the table sliding back and forth this way. It does not have it to raise and lower it. Let's see, that's how you adjust the stroke length, and of course this is where you adjust your step over. And this is the 8-speed transmission, so you've got a high and low, and so you've got 4 in low and 4 in high. Did come with all the wrenches, so that was nice. Bad thing is, if you can see that, the sight glasses are trash and have seen better days, so I'm going to have to make some new sight glasses and do a walk around. I already took the box off, and looking at the tag, confirmed it is set for low voltage, so we're good there. I got the belt cover off because somebody removed the directional tag. I've been on Practical Machinist and also Hobby Machinist, asking other guys what rotation and what direction these belts are supposed to rotate, and everybody seems to say clockwise. I did find a manual, and it actually says it's supposed to rotate counterclockwise, so not 100% sure. We're gonna have to fire it up, I guess, because if it's rotating the wrong direction, one, the oil pump won't work, and two, obviously the ram will be moving faster outward stroke than coming back. So we'll figure that out. Let's see, let's take a look inside. Let me get you guys some light. Looks good inside. The gears all look good. Does have oil in it, which is nice. Don't know how old, or don't even know if it's the right kind. Hopefully you can see that. Bunch of chips, so we'll do a clean out, get this thing cleaned out. But overall, I am pleased with what I got, because I couldn't run it. I had to buy this thing, and, like it was. It ended up getting it from a machinery dealer up in New Jersey, and I had to pay to have it shipped down here. But they had a decent reputation, so I had my fingers crossed that I got something good. It doesn't have problems. So that's what we got to work with. We'll have videos as I get this thing cleaned up and as I get it up and running and making its first chips. So I hope you guys appreciate the short little video here, and leave some comments. And with that, I'll talk to you guys later.